Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels. Open your Instagram app and create a post. Tap to plus, select any photo. I select any random photo like this, dollars of money, and share more moment and do next. It will be loading, processing, and tag two people and invite collaborators. Invite, tick the blue button and search the bar for collaborators. Whom do you like? So I like randomly success collaborator. Maybe it load and find some collaborators. So I can't find. I move and short the word of success collaborator. Then okay, there are lists, there are many lists, so I choose one. So this is how to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.